How to work. Automatic streetlight. Using LDR circuit. Working of automatic streetlight. In this circuit, the LDR is connected in series with a 100K resistor between the positive supply plus VCC and ground. This forms a simple voltage divider whose output is connected to the base of the BC547NPN transistor. Daytime, light present. The LDR's resistance is very low in bright light. This allows most of the voltage to drop across the 100,000 ohm resistor, resulting in a low voltage at the base of the transistor. Since this base voltage is too low to turn on the BC547, the transistor remains off and the LED does not glow. Nighttime, darkness. When it gets dark, the LDR's resistance becomes very high. Now, most of the voltage drops across the LDR, allowing higher voltage at the transistor base through the 100K resistor. When this voltage exceeds approximately 0.7 volts, the BC547 turns on. The transistor conducts current from collector to emitter, and the white LED glows, simulating the streetlight turning on. Summary. LDR and 10,000 resistor create the sensing divider. BC547 works as a switch. LED turns on in darkness and off in light. That was the working of our circuit. Simple and easy to understand. How to make automatic streetlight. Using LDR on breadboard. For full video, click on link or visit to our channel at Book of Technical. We deliver good and productive video. All video available in Hindi, Marathi and English. Welcome to Book of Technical. This video present by Inno91 Green Technologies. Subscribe and get new video. Thank you and visit Book of Technical channel again.